had also earlier called us on 29 November. We had placed all our issue and our concern, and he had given us more than 2 hours to listen our issue and our concern. And today, even after passing the bill in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, still he called us because we had called for an indefinite strike to protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Until and unless the government of India listen to our voice, then we'll continue. But with the kindness of the Honorable Home Minister calling us to listen, the voice was grateful from his side, and we are grateful to him. Therefore, the rumors, whatever the people are spreading, is not our people who spread the rumors, and that's why we don't accept the rumors that people are spreading. For us, we had maintained our peace and harmony in the state during our 3 days protest, and therefore we had appealed our people and we had called off our indefinite strike.